just a little recap of our beginners solo salsa routine number 4. I'm going to turn and face the front so you can see the first step we did was a mambo. So we did 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. I did a side basic 1, 2, 3 with a Susie Q, 5, 6, 7. We then did a half right and half left turn. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Step tap and a double side step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and a 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7. Next step was a right turn. 1, 2, 3 and 5, 6, 7. Then we did a left turn. 1, 2, 3 and 5, 6, 7. And then we did some little walks. So I did 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, walk, walk, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so I'm just going to dance all of those a little bit quicker, all in one go. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, side. 1, 2, Susie. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right turn. 2, 3 and back. 6, 7 left. 1, 2, 3. Around 6, 7. A walk, out and cross, a walk and an out and cross. Only very brief, just a little recap as this was taught in the main lesson. So if you're looking at this video and you haven't been in the main lesson, do have a little look. This was in our beginners solo salsa week 1 of the course number 2. Okay, thanks ever so much. See you next video.